Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by heating the stainless pan until it's evenly hot. This creates a natural nonstick layer. Once the pan shimmers, add 1/2 to 1 tsp of high smoke point oil and swirl to coat. You should hear an immediate sizzle when food hits the surface. That sound means proteins are browning, not bonding. Make sure food is patted dry. Water cools the surface and causes sticking, so you get a clean Once done preheating and adding oil, lower heat slightly so the oil won't burn. Stable heat keeps proteins from grabbing the metal. You want the food to form a brown crust. Don't flip too early or you'll tear it. Use a thin metal spatula to slide under and test. If it resists, give it more time. Make sure to tilt the pan and baste with pan juices for even cooking and less adhesion at the edges. You finish by keeping heat steady so the crust sets without carbonizing. That prevents new sticking as you move the food. Once done, pour 1-2 tablespoons of stock, wine, or water to deglaze and dissolve brown bits for sauce and release. If something is stuck, don't pry hard. Let the pan cool a bit, then slide a thin spatula under while adding a splash of liquid. This reduces damage and solves most adhesion problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.